We're going to show you here the 2014 to 2017 Toyota Camry Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system has wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto built in. It's going to add a whole lot of functionality to your car. Of course, it's built right into the factory screen and it feels like it came factory from Toyota. You can see in this Camry what a game-changing difference it makes to have Android Auto. It really makes the factory screen feel like a brand new vehicle. Whether you use Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs, and it looks awesome on the screen now. The same story is true for navigation. Whether you use Google Maps, Waze, or any other Maps app, you can easily access nearby destinations, and it makes the car function like a much newer vehicle. Of course, your Maps app will read your instructions aloud, whether you're using Waze or Google Maps.
You're on the fastest route despite heavier than usual traffic. You should reach your destination by 5:10 p.m.
It truly feels like this vehicle should have come with factory CarPlay and Android Auto. Back on the home screen, any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here. So as you add apps to your phone, you'll get more functionality. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will take you back to the factory screen. Here you'll have all of your original features, original settings, and you'll have access to your XM, FM, and AM radio. This system allows you to continue to use your satellite radio if you like. When you're using our system for CarPlay or Android Auto, we recommend you keeping it in the aux mode and having your phone paired only to the new Hamilton Bluetooth network. Long holding that voice speech button for 3 seconds takes you back to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If you shift to reverse, your backup camera will come up and it'll come right back to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, just like a brand new vehicle would. We have industry-leading tech support here to help you before, after, or during your purchase, and all orders are backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee. That means you're going to get a top-tier warranty and a company that's going to take great care of you. Give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.